Oh, so today, doing something a little different than normal. Somebody dropped off this old pump. I was repairing it. Nothing much wrong with it. A few little minor problems, which I fixed actually. Well, I thought it was kind of cool. I have no idea who made it or what, but it looked like it had a flat belt at one time. And that's the holder for it. And I was looking around today for plugs. A friend of mine actually in this box. Couldn't find anything yet. But oh, heavy connectors. Couldn't find a male type. We got rolling around here, huh? These are all connectors I've finally done, sort of consolidated. Now here's something that shouldn't be in there. Why are you in there? But this is off of Navy ships, by the way. Miniature vacuum tubes for radar. Huh. I believe that was Saskatchewan. But yeah, I have hundreds of these things. These are off the warships as well. Connectors. What else have I been doing? Well, Mr. Evio, the supervisor, that was it. It took a lot of time. I had to repair something in the antique pump. No time for silly videos today, I guess, but oh well. Tomorrow I finish this thing off and go back to do what I normally do. That's pretty wild, isn't it? It's on a little stand with feet too. If you know who made it or what it's for, let me know. This is what it's mounted on the chunk of wood, which I'll clean up tomorrow too. So, okay. Wow. Just lock the doors, put the alarm on, and go have some vitamins and take off. That's off. Alright, he follows me everywhere. So, okay. Time flies when you're having fun, I guess you call it, huh? Okay, vitamin time in America. Woohoo! Ah. Okay, so 3 minutes, 12, 19, 20 seconds, I guess. Oh man, it really flew by. It's fast for the time. So nice and sunny out there. Ooh, that looks kind of cool, all that lighting going on. It's just the lens of the iPad, but anyway, now we get slowly get organized here. Take care. Oh, you want to see my legs? Oh, soft teddy bear, come on, let's do a video together.